Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to be unboxing the Unity Kit of the Month for March. You'll be seeing this in April, always 1 month behind. But in the free little kit, you get a butterfly button. It's really cute. And it says happily ever after. You get some a brown thick piece of ribbon. You get this cute little, looks like a piece of vellum, Smith Express, some vellum. You get this like travel bag situation. Lots of mixed media stuff. It seems that they are gearing at a tag and then a strip of looks like a 3 by 6 sheet of paper. Let's see. Yep, it's 3 by 6. This tag. I rarely ever use these things out of here. And you get a little go by or a see what we made kind of thing, which is always nice because sometimes the kits, in my opinion, don't lend themselves to lots of cool things. So looks like we got two inspiration pieces. We have this one. It says Fantastic Boots card. And then we have this Victorian Homes. I wish you lived next door to me. That's just always good for like a moving. I'll tell you right now, I don't, this kid does not speak to me. A good man and some butterflies. So we got these butterflies, some clouds, a little flower, which is really cute. Um, some background stuff. This one says all because two people fell in love. Some dirt tracking. Looks like thanks for being a man. A pair of boots. And then boots. A good man is something you do, not who you are. This looks like some lace right here. And it says, I may not be with you, but I'm always, but I will, I may not be with you, but I am always love for you. I may not be with you, but I am always here for you. Okay, that's here. Sure. And then some splatter, this house, and this. Now, I will tell you right now, I went onto the website because I was doing another project with an older Unity kit from before we started the collaboration, and I saw it, and I have more I don'ts than I do's, right? All right, so here we are. This was sitting in a funky place, so it's kind of wiggly, but here we are. Or maybe it wasn't wiggly because this don't look like it fit in here anymore. Do it. Look. It should. Yeah, it don't look like it fit though. That's weird. Definitely a weird. Never mind. I wonder if quality of production is going down somewhat. I don't know because this does not fit at all. Yeah, it doesn't fit. I don't know if they messed something up and they went and took all these out and replaced them with other ones, but it's still anyway. So you got some boots and they're pretty decent size. This one's roughly 4 by 2. So 4 by 2, that's a pretty decent sized card. Then you got these houses right here, which is a pretty good size. And then you have this background. From what I've noticed, a few of the background stamps don't stamp out properly. So we'll see if we use that one. But I would use this in a regular project, so I don't have to worry about that. Some clouds. I believe these are the clouds. Yeah, you get three little clouds, which is cute. You know, I like clouds and some splatter. Oh, and this lace strip. I thought it was going to be longer, but I don't know why. Overall, if this collaboration wasn't going on, I probably would bypass this one. Besides the butterflies, you don't get to see my opinion until tomorrow, which is a whole month from when I'm recording the video. But yeah, this is not. I'm gonna struggle. We'll put it like that. I see a good. Oh, I love this, and then the rest I'm like, huh. So anyway, I hope that let us know what you do with your kits if you get the Unity stamp kit of the month or what you like. But I do think something happened with this because this does not fit. I'm going to ask Wandering Dreamer if hers fit in or not, if she got a wonky one. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.